How to fix Roblox UGC item upload rejected for policy. So to fix the policy rejection for a UGC item on a mobile, the first thing what you can do is change the title and descriptions, remove any numbers, special characters or restricted keywords that trigger automated filters. Use a clean, simple title. So next what you can do is verify triangle and mesh limits. Make sure that your 3D model stays under 4000 triangles and uses a proper 1024 into 1024 texture resolution. Over budget models or distorted UV maps often trigger automated policy or validation flags. Now the next thing what you can do is check for copyright or prohibited content. Make sure that the asset does not use copyrighted logos, stolen geometry or prohibited textures. Now the next what you can do is resubmit via Creator Hub. Just log into the Roblox Creator Hub through your mobile web browser in desktop mode. Navigate to creations and avatar item, edit the flagged asset to remove offending text or images and resubmit it for review. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.